Hello everyone, welcome to the replay. Hey, let me get online real quick and make sure this actually looks right for you guys. And share it over into my VIP group. So if you're not a part of my VIP group, just type in VIP and I'll get you the link for that. And I think that it is going to be wrong. Hold on. If I switch it over to here, is that going to mess you guys up? So hold on with me. Bear with me while I'm doing the technical stuff on the Facebook stuff. And now I'm changing it. Oh, okay. Excuse my mess. Okay. Let me put that out of the way. Okay. I think we're going to go with that. I think that's a little bit better. I'm just trying to get it so you guys can see it a little bit better. Today, let's just go ahead and start. And hey guys, if you guys have questions, let me know. And if I don't see it in the comments, hello Pat, if I don't see it in the comments while we're going along, I will definitely get back to you afterwards. And house into a home. Okay, I got that shared. Okay, so let's start. And this is actually going to be like a 3-part series. So once we get done, I'm going to do each craft like within, probably about 15 minutes. And I'm going to do 3 different lives with it. And then I'm going to come back on and I'm going to show you how to actually decorate it like in your bathroom. So you can kind of see how to basically make your house into a home and using our materials. So this is what we're going to use tonight. We're going to use a board and base, and this actually comes apart and you can move it around and change it vertically or horizontally, however you want. I'm going to set that off to the side just for a minute. And then we got some new paste colors. So this is our Wisteria and Citrus Splash and Blue Jay. And then this one is a little more of a pink one. And I forgot, it is the pink grapefruit. So they're all very pretty and springy like. And then tonight, this is the transfer that we're actually going to use. And this is just for our house cutouts, but I'm going to show you tonight how to use them without a house cutout. So in the next live, I'll show you how to do it with the house cutouts. So I think we're just going to use this little guy. So you have 4 different patterns, and then you have like 3 different sayings with it. Make sure you guys can see it. And then you have little cutouts for the doors and the windows and a little heart that you can use. And we're going to actually layer this one over the stripes and let you see how that actually works out for a design. And like I said, welcome to the show. I'm Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nest. So guys, if you have questions while we're going along, just type them in the comments and I will certainly get back to you. If I don't see them on the live, I'll get back to you afterwards. So let's get started. And we're just going to take this little guy and first we're going to fuzz it. First, when you first get your transfers, and these are silk screen transfers for those that are new. I've had a lot of people join my page, so I want to make sure that you guys, I walk you through the whole process. So this is actually what we do is just we fuzz it because these are silk screen transfers and they are sticky on the back. And I don't know if you can see, probably not so good on this one, but this looks like a stencil, but it's actually a transfer, a silk screen. So that's how we get our little clean and crisp designs. And so to make it not so sticky, we just do it on the fuzz cloth. And this is something that you can actually do on a terry, you know, one of your bath towels, on your shirt. It doesn't have to be the Chalk Couture fuzz cloth. So this is the first step, is actually fuzzing it and getting it on your board here. And this is a 5x7 board, and I'm always kind of surprised at how big our transfers are once I get them in my hands. I didn't expect these transfers to be that big. So, and these are flexible, so you're able to get it in pretty much any space that you want, and then you just kind of make sure that it's even. So, and they're repositionable and they're reusable. Like company says up to 12 times, but most designers get much more use out of them. Okay, so just put these down. And thanks for joining, everyone. So I'm actually going to put the stripes in white, and then I'm going to put use our pink grapefruit for this little family saying, because it has a little heart on it. So this is our chalk paste, and it really is, it goes on wet, but it dries hard, so that it, you know, your design stays on until you're ready to remove it. So our chalkboards are designed to make it easy for you just to change out your designs, and you know, change out your home interior with just wiping it off and putting on a new design, either because of style or because of the like holidays. So you don't really have to have, what I really like is that you don't really have to have a whole lot of those decorations and extra frames and all that good stuff in your closet, or find a storage spot for it. So this is really good for people that are downsizing or have already got so much stuff they don't know what to do with it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just smearing on the chalk paste, and then I'm taking off the excess of it, and I'm going to put it back in my jar. So you can see that really it doesn't take a whole lot of paste to do a design. And then I'm just going to slowly take it off. You want to take it off like left to right or top to bottom, because these are kind of a fabric, and that will help from getting them stretched out. Okay, so you can see my little design coming up. Just slowly bring it up. How cute is that? Okay, so I'm going to take this to the sink and just wash it with some water, and once it's clean and dry, then I will just put it back on the backer sheet, and it will be there and for me when I'm ready to do my next design. Okay, so I'm gonna dry this real quick. If you know chalk paste, it doesn't take very long to dry. So just use a hairdryer. That's actually a heat set tool, and it can be a little too hot. So just use your hairdryer if you want to speed up the process, but it really doesn't take that much time for it to dry. Okay, this one I'm going to put down here. Just right on top of it. It's not going to hurt it. And see how that goes. And I'm actually going to do it in our new color, the grapefruit color, which is really pretty. Oh, guys, I almost forgot to tell you about our March specials. So in March, we have a special going on right now that if you buy 3 of our transfers, you get the 4th one free. And they've also updated our shipping. So now non-club members The shipping is $6.95 flat fee, no matter no matter the size of the order. But if you're a club member, it actually you get $4.95 shipping off your orders. So that is a great deal for our club members. Another reason to join. So I'll show you. I actually got my club transferring this today, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, let me take this off. Let me find a spot. And again, I'm just going to bring it up slowly, because if I miss a spot, all I do is just put it right back down and go back over it with my paste. So how cute is that? Isn't that sweet? Okay. Again, I'm just going to take this to my sink and wash it with cold water, get off the paste, and then I'm going to put it right back on my backer sheet. And this one, actually, you might be able to see the silk screen just a little bit better. That's what gives it the clean and crisp design that we have. Okay. So put that right there. And guys, we're done with this project. It's super easy. I'm going to put it back on my basin board. You know, if you want to spruce it up just a little bit more, you could put a ribbon on it. And I'll show you. I think these ribbons are probably, I cut them, let's see, they're about 6 inches long. So let me just put this there. So, you know, just put it down. They're each about 6 inches long, and I cut the little tails to make a cute little ribbon. And I think I actually want blue with this one. Let's see. Okay, and then let me see. I was trying to think what else I need to tell you. Club members, the special this month for club members is that you get 25% off the organizational tools that we have, like to keep your paste and your other tools together. You have that, and then all the buy 3, get the 4th transfer for free is for everyone. So everyone, that's for all our customers. And if if you want my link, just type in shop and I'll get you my link. And I'm just going to make these little ends. I want blue on here. Okay. Just to give it just a little bit different color. And I got all this ribbon at Dollar Tree, guys. They actually have a really good selection of ribbon for $1 for your projects. Okay, so I would just lay these together, mix match them, and then get some twine and put them together. So let me see if I can find some real quick. Yeah. Put this together. See, who likes the show Breaking Bad? Have you been watching? I guess I don't know if it's reruns or what, but I've been watching this. His lawyer has a show on, Sal. It seems like it's a new episode. I could be wrong, but I've been watching that. Breaking Bad was very addictive to me. What's your addictive show right now that I should be watching, like on Netflix or Amazon Prime? Let's see. Let me put this in here. Then we can just set this here and just give it, just a little bit more pizzazz. So that is our project, and we didn't take very long to do that at all. Just like that. Let me show you our club transfer for March. So I actually got this today, and it's the French Market one. So I can see tons of possibilities with this, just with the border, and then using the French and the market in different, settings for the farmhouse, to pairing it up with the monogram. So lots of different ideas for this, and we'll get to that after we do our house to home series. So if you guys have questions about how you get this, this is our Chalk Couture for this month, and it's exclusive, so it's only available in March for club members. So if you're interested in joining, it's your happy mail. You get a monthly subscription for it. It comes right to your door. You don't have to think about it, but it's a great reminder to sit down and do some crafts for the day or for that month. So just type in club if you're interested in that. And then also if you're interested in becoming a designer and saving some money on your products, just type in join, and I'd be glad to get you some information on that. So the next time we come on, we're going to add to this piece. The next 2 times we come on, we're going to add to this piece. And then I'm going to show you, the 4th time, I'm going to show you how to actually decorate and make your house a home. So I appreciate you guys joining me tonight. And if you have questions, let me know, and happy chalking. Bye. Well, maybe bye. I don't know how to get... Oh. Hello. Finish. Okay.